So because you mentioned the guilt of not living in Israel.
Yes.
How is this guilt socially enforced? Is it like, did your parents say something, or is it in
No,
the
my
media?
parents didn't say something, but I know relatives behind my back will show. But I feel guilty.
Yeah.
On some level, maybe I'm a hypocrite. I live here, but I still feel guilty not living in Israel and not contributing to Israel. So I try to be active in the Jewish community. On some level, I'm charitable. I send my children to Camp Ramah. As a matter of fact, one of them is here, Palmer, Massachusetts. I watch now, there is an all Hebrew channel in Washington. I'm sure it's here also. So I try to follow that. But on some level, I know I live a life of hypocrisy. I say,
Why?
because I should be in Israel, I should help build Israel, and I'm not there. I'm sort of wobbling on the issue of living in Israel. And you had a very good question. Where would you like to be?
To spend eternity.
To spend eternity is a very good word. I need to be more. My wife is asking me all the time, what do you want to do? And I said, I don't want to discuss it. It's not pleasant.